Hi, and welcome to the LB0Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Martin, LB0Fox India. You guys are my fantastic audience, and this is the LB0Fox India linked dipole kit. What I got here is just a prototype, but the full product will be available by the end of this week, and today is July 11th, 2022. So just check out my Etsy store. I'll be doing 2 more videos before it's released. I'll be doing a build video and a test video of the antenna, so you guys know what you're buying. But first of all, let's unfold it and see what it looks like. For those of you who have seen the LB0Fox India Dipole Kit before, it's the exact same design. It's actually the exact same centerpiece here, with the possibility of winding your antenna wire up. And you got each of the legs of the dipole going out here, through these 2 stretch relief points. And the hole here is for a fishing pole or similar, just to raise it up, a fiberglass mast. And the design here is so that the dipole legs and the coax counterbalances each other, so it stays straight on the pole. The links here are the same as the end insulators on the original LB0Fox India Dipole Kit. You can see the wire going through the small holes for stretch relief and into these automotive connectors, which you can release or connect in order to change bands. The kit will be released with 2 of these links, or more correctly 4 of these links, 2 for each leg. So it'll be a 3-band linked dipole. You'll also get 25 meters of soda beam wire, as you can see here, so you can make it for pretty much any bands you'd like. This particular one is made for 20, 15 and 10, basically because that doesn't take up a lot of room on camping. But you're free to make it for any band you'd like. Let's say you'd like a 40, 20, and 15, you can do that. Or a 40, 12, 10, 40, 10, 6. The possibilities are endless. And let's take a look at the end insulator here. As you can see on the end insulator, it's the exact same piece, with the wire going through here and locking itself in the stretch relief holes. I've also tied some rope here. The rope is not included in the package. But that's just a cost-saving measure. I'd recommend to do that just to get a little bit more height on the end of those legs. So I'll be back in a day or 2, just so we can take a look at how the antenna performs, and most of all, how to build the antenna. So please do like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.